Hello guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing fine. Thank you so much for your constant support. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to make an effective egg growth oil using three ingredients, which are clove, ginger and onion. And I'm also going to be using coconut oil and olive oil. You can use any oil of your choice. So all I did here was to blend the clove, and I also chopped the ginger and onion. So I'm just going to pop everything into the blender, then I'll blend. So guys, this is what I have after blending it. You can see how smooth this is looking, and I would recommend you always blend your ingredients to get all the nutrient out of them. So all I'm just going to do next is to go in with my remaining coconut oil and olive oil. I'm going to leave it on the lowest heat for 30 minutes, and I will make sure to keep stirring it because I don't want it to get burnt. If it's burnt, you're not going to get that bright looking oil. So just make sure you keep stirring it and make sure the fire is not high. I'm going to proceed to sieve my oil using handkerchief. I'm using handkerchief because I don't want any particles in my oil. You can use any other thing that's okay by you. You can use a sieve, but just make sure it doesn't leave any particles in the oil because you don't want to have particles in your hair while you're applying the oil. So guys, you can see we are actually on the road to 4,000 subscribers. If you've been watching my videos without subscribing, please, I'm begging you to consider subscribing because subscription is actually free and you're just going to help your girl by subscribing. So I'm begging you, if you're not subscribed, smash that red subscribe button you're seeing by the right side of this video and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified every time I have a new video. Thank you so much as you do this for your girl. Can you see how clean and bright this oil is looking? This is why you don't have to burn your oil, because if it's burned you can't get this bright color. So guys, I'm going to be using this oil to lock in moisture even while I'm on protective style, and I'm also going to be using it to do my hot oil treatment every week. So guys, if you're the type that your hair is always dry or your hair is breaking, you have to make this oil because the ingredients used in making this oil are loaded with lots of vitamins and minerals that are actually very good for healthy hair growth. This oil is going to help you stop breakage, it's going to stimulate your scalp, help you retain length, and of course promote a healthy hair growth. So you should really consider making it. I'm just going to pour the oil into a bottle and keep it for use. So if you're worried about the strong smell of onion, I can assure you that this oil is odorless because of the clove and ginger. They actually reduce the smell of onion. So you just have to go ahead and make this oil and you will love what it's going to do to your hair. So guys, I guess this will be all for this video. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section and I will surely get back to you. Like I said earlier, we're on the road to 4,000 subscribers. If you're watching this video and you are not subscribed, please smash that subscribe button and turn on your bell notification. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Bye bye.